for occasions, you guys, the most special type of makeup. Okay, so today we'll be focusing on 3 looks: the natural look, the professional look, and the sexy look. With the first look is Lady O. Okay, so we are going to start off with the professional look. For the professional look, all you need is a foundation, mascara, and then lipstick. So for the lipstick, you can put on a berry lipstick or a pinkish lipstick, something that is professional. Okay, so you can wear this makeup look when you're going out for work or when you're going out for a business meeting. The second look we have today is the natural look. The natural look, you just need foundation and maybe some lip gloss to just bring a little bit of attention, not too much, just enough. Now, where can you wear this makeup look, yours? You can wear it to church because it's not too much, it's decent. You can put it on when you're going to grab some coffee or some pizza. It's a quick on-the-go makeup look. Okay, so for the sexy look, I love this look. You can put on your foundation, your eyeshadows, and lipstick. So for the lipstick and eyeshadows, you can put on those bright colors. You can put an orange color, red lipstick, anything can do. So for the sexy look, you can wear it when you're going out for a party or when you're going out for a date or a dinner. So as you guys know, we are presenters. We're just presenters. Agreed? Yes. We don't know a lot about these things. So today to the show, we've invited someone who knows her stuff. Someone who's very good, a guru in the department. We brought in Miss Charity. So you guys, this is Miss Mo. Miss Mo, I love the look. I love how you're here. The outfit. Girl. So I have a few questions. Can you give us like a brief introduction to yourself?
Okay, so my name is Cherry and I'm the owner of Cherry Beauty Bar. We do a lot of makeup, party makeup, soft makeup, professional makeup, everything.
How old are you? Because you look very young.
I'm not as young as I look, I'm 23.
Okay, so I can be a makeup artist by 20, like before like you, right?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so you heard that, Miss Charity. The first question we have, professional question related to this is, why did you choose makeup? Why did you choose to do makeup and not hair and, you know?
Okay, so since I was young, I always played with my mom's makeup. So it was a passion more than a professional thing.
Okay,
yeah. So I enjoy doing it as a passion.
By heart, you guys, by heart. The second question is, what are the do's and don'ts of the 3 makeup looks we talked about? We talked about the natural look, the professional look, and the sexy look.
Okay, so the first thing you have to be careful about is using the right foundation that goes with your shade to your skin color. And also the other thing is that when you do your brows, you have to make sure that you don't do them too black. They have to match your skin color. Okay. So I think that's all you have to know. And also don't put too much foundation because then it won't match your skin.
Okay.
So that's all I know. It's very much okay. You look nice just as long as you use the right foundation.
Okay, so nice. The last question is, what is your favorite makeup look? What's your type of makeup?
I like soft makeup because you can go anywhere with it. So yeah, that's my favorite one.
Okay, so you guys, Miss Charity is going to show us some of her work. She's going to wow us, right, Miss?
Yes.
Yes. So here goes.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Polo the dub. It's Fergie. If you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home. You say if you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
G-L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S, yeah. G-L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S. We flying first class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the and I had a Mustang, and now first class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I wanna change by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy.
I'm talking champagne witnesses, caviar dreams. You deserve nothing but all the finer things. Now this whole world has no clue what to do with us. I got enough money in the bank for the two of us. Plus I gotta keep enough lettuce to support your shoe fetish lifestyle. So rich and famous, Robin Leach will get jealous. $500,000 for the stove, taking trips from here to Rome. So if you ain't got no money, take your broke ass home.
First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I wanna change by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous, ooh, flousy, flousy. I got problems up to here, I got people in my ear telling me these crazy things that I don't wanna know. I got money in the bank and I really like to thank all the fans. I like to thank you really though. 'Cause I remember yesterday when I dreamt about the days when I rock on MTV. It really told. Damn, it's been a long road and the industry is cold. I'm glad my daddy told me so, he let his daughter know. My daddy told me so. He let his daughter know. My daddy told me so. He let his daughter know.
So this is Almerdo versus Miss Olivia. I mean, look at her. Don't you just want to be her? I mean, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. And I will totally see this look on their wedding, and it can be on your wedding as well. So let's try to how can we reach you?
You can get me on Instagram. It's Shirley and you can also get me on WhatsApp. It's 077 4488 49.
Okay, so this look, obviously everyone knows that I'm going. What would you advise me to take this look?
To wear rings and fashion.
For my role, can I take this to my role?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so you heard her. So you guys should totally subscribe to our channel, follow us, and just follow us and be a part of us, because you will see a lot of her and a lot more people. You guys, you will want to see what we have for you at Regular TV, because you guys, we are the best. Okay, so Miss Shirley, thank you for having us in the studio.
Thank you for everything as well.
Till next time, thank you.